You will receive 3.7 ounces tubes of Crest Pro-Health Advanced Gum Restore Deep Clean Toothpaste. Formulated with amino acid glycine. Healthier gums in 7 days by treating gingivitis. Contains Stannous Fluoride as a treatment against cavities and gingivitis. Neutralizes plaque-causing bacteria below the gum line. American Dental Association, ADA, approved. From the #1 toothpaste brand in America.P&G calculation based on U.S. reported sales data for year ending without December 26, 2020. Clinically proven healthier gums. Crest Pro-Health Advanced Gum Restore Deep Clean Toothpaste uses an amino acid formula to promote gum healing in just 7 days. Contains stannous fluoride for anticavity and antigingivitis protection. Helps restore gums for a healthier smile. By treating gingivitis. Top reviews from the United States. Great if it works. I have mild gum disease, so using a toothpaste that works on it is very desirable. Crest is a trusted brand and so I chose this product. I have been using it for several years now and my gums are doing well, although some deterioration is noted. I can't say whether they would be any worse without this toothpaste. The reason for my concern is that the listed active ingredients are the same as for all Crest toothpastes. There is no special ingredient that is supposed to work on the gums. I have not gotten any clarification from the manufacturer.